Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are making a pan fried salmon in a sweet miso sauce. Here are the ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 3 tablespoons of white miso, 3 tablespoons of cooking sake, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil for frying. First, we are going to make the miso marinade. Just mix the 3 ingredients together until they are combined. Marinate the salmon with the miso sauce. Turn the salmon over in the marinade to make sure the salmon is well coated. You need to leave this for at least 1 hour, but preferably 3 to 4 hours in the fridge. Heat the oil in the frying pan. Fry the salmon fillets over medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes, both top and bottom. Keep a lid on the pan to ensure that the salmon cooks through. Turn the salmon over once. Take care as the flesh is quite fragile. Once the salmon is cooked, remove it. Add any leftover marinade and reduce it over high heat. Serve on a bed of rice with a vegetable garnish. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.